After this video, you'll feel like your goals are getting closer and closer to reality. And before you know it, it's your life. The first thing you need to do, which will make the most impact, is to just start. You can do this specifically by writing your goals down on a piece of paper, putting it in your room so you can see it every single day when you wake up, before you're about to go to sleep, when you're just sitting in your room, you're bored, you don't know what to do, you feel unmotivated. That sign, that piece of paper is sitting in your room so you can look at it and remind you of the life that you want to live. But also just have some self-belief, some self-confidence, knowing that you can achieve that goal. Because I know you can do it. I really do. Because one of the main goals that I've had in the past years was hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I don't know when you're watching this video, but it might have already happened, or it's about to happen. Just because I started. If I didn't start, I would have 0 subscribers. So because I started, it allowed me to get to where I am right now. And I didn't worry about being perfect, uploading every single day, trying to make the perfect videos. There's some good stuff about not trying to be perfect. You don't stress about it. It feels more natural. But because I still tried, I still attempted to do something every single day. Not actually did something, just attempted to do it. I thought about this goal definitely every single day for at least 2 years. I'm out here at 7:30 a.m. on a Saturday when I could have been sleeping in, when I could have been already eating breakfast. I could have just been playing video games right now. That's what I would have done 2 years ago. But I realized if I just started, made an attempt, kept trying to make an attempt, I knew that it would just be inevitable. I'd reach my goals. It's that simple sometimes. All I needed to do was start. I just made a 30-second video. I didn't overthink about it. I didn't try to make it perfect. I just did it. And then as soon as time went on, I got better. I tried new things. I experimented with what worked well. And then you'll get it as soon as you start it. It's like when I'm playing a new board game. I don't know the instructions. I just play it first and then learn it along the way while I'm playing. It's a lot better to do that than trying to absorb all this knowledge and stuff when you don't even play the game. So now you know that the key, biggest factor to actually achieving your goals and destroying them is by just starting. Now I'm going to talk about how I personally was able to make it a lot easier for me to actually reach those goals. So I don't always have to be 100% disciplined. Even when I don't feel like it, I'm still working towards my goals. And the first thing is by setting a habit tracker where every single day I wrote some habits that I want to do. So if it was YouTube, it would be like a habit of writing a video, a habit of filming the video, editing the video, similar things like that, which made it so I can hold myself accountable for every single day, because every single day I'll check if I did that habit or not. So as the days went on, I can see what I actually did. And oh, I haven't filmed a video in 5 days. Let me do one today. Let me make sure I do one. Another tip which helped me a lot is breaking the goal down by actionable, small little steps that I can do every day or week or month. So when I'm starting out, the goal of 100,000 subscribers sounds pretty crazy. But if I just break it down to, okay, just get 1,000 subscribers, get 100, just get a subscriber. How do I do that? Make 1 video, make 2. Okay, write this video down, brainstorm about this idea. Okay, and now go out there and just make that quick 10-minute video. If the goal is to get all A's in school, you can probably break it down into, okay, study for this math test, do this homework that I didn't do. When you break the goal down into things you can do every single day, not only does it make you more productive, but it makes the goal seem more achievable and you're actually working to the goal and you could see the results coming. Additionally, thinking about your future self. What would my future self care about that I did in 2 years? That I actually achieved my goals, or that I just did nothing? When you go to bed, are you going to be like, oh, I wish I did this instead? Or are you going to be like, that was a great day. I'm so glad that this day existed, and let's do the same tomorrow. Is your future self going to be happy that you made a bunch of excuses on why you couldn't do something, which, looking back on it, you probably could have? Spend time just thinking about how you want to live your life in the future, what you would care about, and what would you need to do to fulfill those aspirations right now. Spend some time thinking about this. You don't have to rush this. Write some things down that you truly think will help you. The last thing, which is vital to achieving your goals, is to have patience. Seriously. I heard this saying from someone. It was, keep going and you won't lose. It's so simple, but it makes so much sense. Even if I had bad days, even if some videos didn't perform well, which I don't even care about, if I just keep going, I will reach my goal. The only way I don't reach my goals is if I just stop. Once you realize that, you get a little excited. You start to smile. You realize that the goals you have are actually attainable if you just don't stop. Try to do stuff every single day. Not even every single day, every week. Just understand, if you don't stop trying, you will get those goals. If you want to be surrounded by hundreds of other people like us who are trying to grow and get better, join the free Like-Minded Club in the description. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Like if you liked it. Let me know what your goals are in the comments. Leave a little comment. And if one of your goals is actually making YouTube videos too and growing that channel, click that Calendly link in the description so we can potentially go on a call and we can talk more about it to see if I can help you even more. Have a great day. Actually, see you later.